Does Walmart have car models? I went to 3 Walmarts in Indianapolis, and this is my 4th Walmart now around the Louisville, Kentucky area, and I have not found any yet. Hopefully, fingers crossed, we'll find something inside this Walmart at Shepherdsville, Kentucky. It's Friday, November 21st, 2025, and we've been to a ton of Walmarts, and we have finally found some models. 67 Chevelle. Is it $397? Man, I wish it was. These are in the wrong spot. Some of them are, some of them aren't. There's a great kit, the 78 Dodge. Love that kit. There it is. It's 19 bucks, 19 something. And you get the mini bike too. Some Star Wars kits. That's cool that they got the Star Wars kits. Another Star Wars kits. I always like looking behind. A little pointer here, a little tip. Look behind the model boxes. You never know what's behind. The Galaxy kit. I love that box art. That 69 Galaxy's got some cool... Oh, hey, there's a Charger. The Charger caught my eye. Oh, okay. Another Ford behind the Charger. 63 Impala. What's behind it? Another 63 Impala. Another 63 Impala. These were not on a skid, like everyone's saying they're all on a skid. These were on shelves. In their spot for a shelf. Another nice MPC kit right there. 67 Camaro. I like that 67 Camaro kit. But yeah, these were on a shelf, not on a skid. They're all 19 bucks. 19 something, 20 bucks if you want to call it. The old Firestone pickup truck. 71 Duster. But yeah, they were pretty much picked out. Another Star Wars kit. Or Star Trek, I'm sorry. Another Duster, 55 Chevy. Oh, there's a great kit, 55 Chevy. Oh, I built that. Wonderful kit. That's what they got. That's all they got at this Walmart. And I went to 7 of them. I'm kind of Walmarted out after going to 7 Walmarts in 2 different states. And there's some glues they had. I was glad to find these. Little bonus footage. Wanted to show you all the die-cast cars at Walmart. They got an aisle dedicated to them. I think all the Walmarts do. It's nothing new. But anyway, let me know down below if your Walmart has model cars. Let me know down below if your Walmart doesn't have model cars. Like I said, I went to a million Walmarts, it seems like, to try to find model cars, and finally found a Walmart with model cars. Hot Wheels are pretty cool. I always stop and see if I can find a gasser. They look pretty neat. Haven't found a gasser in years. That was cool. It kind of reminded me of the Voodoo Sahara from Voodoo Larry up in Chicago, his custom car. But it was a different color. Kind of a neat little custom right there. I don't know, like a little kid grabbing these Hot Wheels. Love it. Man, we'll see you guys on the next video on Throttle Power.